guys, welcome back to an episode of Joe's Garage. If you like this video and more, please like, share, and subscribe. So I'm standing here with one hand holding pinstriping and an X-Acto knife with a brand new razor blade. And why would I do that? Stay tuned to find out. As I look at the back of this beautiful beast of mine, I love my rear diffuser, but I'm thinking a little pinstriping on the edge facing us in red may go a long way. Let's see how that looks. Alright, so one is on. That was pretty simple. And I do believe that that will stay on pretty well, and if I don't like it, I'll just peel it off. I'll do another one, and we'll see how well this goes. Yes, I'm wearing readers because I'm old, okay? So I'm just going to measure out. I've since just washed the car earlier, so everything's pretty clean over here. And if I'm going to do it for a permanent sake, I'm going to do it with a little rubbing alcohol, make sure I get any sealants, compounds, material off. So I'm going to measure a little extra from where I would like to be. Handy dandy X-Acto knife to be exact. I start from the bottom and then I work my way up. I mean, it literally takes about a minute to do each fin. Really pretty simple. The hardest part is getting this backing peeled off. I don't know about you, but it drives me crazy. Alright. You don't have to go all the way to the back, although I am. And then kind of center it out as you're going along. Just give it a little rub. That's what she said. Alright. If there are wrinkles, you can take a heat gun. You can rub them out. You can heat gun it. Carefully cut this without scratching the paint. I have PPF on mine, so I'm not as concerned. But I'm still concerned about messing up the PPF. And now I got a little wrinkle in there, so I'm just going to peel this up and re-put it down. Like so. And there you have it. If you get a little air bubble in there, you can just pop it. Or you can redo it. For now, I'm just going to pop it. I don't really care. Making tiny, tiny pinholes with that. There. That looks pretty cool. There's two. I'll do the other two in fast motion so you don't have to be bored watching me install this. There you have it. The red stripe on the diffuser fin. This is a pinstripe. This is a 1/2 inch. It comes in 36 feet by 1/2 inch. This is the 1/2 inch. It's pinstripe. Even though it is a red stripe, it's not red stripe, man. That's Sabia. But this is a red stripe on those diffuser fins, and I actually think it looks pretty damn cool. And the coolest part about it is that if you don't like it, you take it off. If it gets ruined or messed up, just redo it. You just cut a little bit more of this. So you can buy this on Amazon for about $8 or $9. It was very inexpensive. The other thing that's kind of cool about it is that it's really easy to apply. You can probably use a heat gun to maybe get it to stick a little bit more. Right now, I'm just not even sure if I'm going to leave it on there. But if I do, that's what it looks like. I think it looks pretty badass. So when you do this, just so you know, give yourself a little extra. I would say cut off a strip of about 21 inches. Start at the bottom. I'll show you what I mean by that. Start the back part of the diffuser fin here, and then like literally just work your way up to the top, cut it off. I'm going to trim these up a little bit better on the top just so it looks a little cleaner, but for the sake of the video, I think it looks pretty damn good. So that's that. I think it was $8. $8 mod. Pretty nice. Draws attention to your fins. Makes it look pretty cool. Like, share, subscribe. Woohoo! Comment too. Tell me if you would do this on your car. Tell me if you wouldn't.